Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to make this logo effect, this layer style thing, which I usually do in my logos. If you follow me on Instagram or any other social platform, you see this in most of my designs. So let me show you how to do this style on your logos. So this is a header I made for Team Tipic, so shout out to them. So let's start it. So what I did is, this is their logo without the layer style. Okay, so let's start it. Go to blending options, just disable these. Okay, go ahead to the gradient overlay, make the blend mode normal, opacity 100, gradient this one. So the first color is white, pure white, and the second one is this hex code 676565. Okay, then use this one white, then 6765, and this one, then this, you know what I mean. Then okay, click new, so that it will create a, when you click new, then it creates and adds it to your gradient presets. Then click ok, then change its style to angle. Okay, and make its angle whatever you like. Wait, let me just enable this and hide these. Go to blending options, gradient overlay, then change it to angle. It will look like this. Then you can change its angle whatever way you like. Then go to blending options, bevel and emboss, then make it inner bevel, technique smooth, depth 1000, size 1. Okay, overlay, highlight mode overlay 100, or shadow mode overlay, make these colors, and glass contour, the straight one, this one. Now it's fine. Now duplicate this layer. Okay, duplicate it, press Ctrl J, and go to the bottom layer, delete this layer styles, and then go to filter, other, minimum, then make it 8 the number, and make sure to click on preserve squareness 8. Then it will come, make it like this stroke, and go to blending options. Okay, reset to default list if you are using the latest versions. Okay, then go to gradient overlay, choose this black gradient. Let me show you how it is. This one. Okay, it's the 0B 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 to 3D 3D 3D. Okay, click OK, then change it to linear, and then drag it up to make it only the black part of the gradient visible, and go to bevel and emboss, same styling. Okay, but just change it to normal and reduce its opacity a bit. Then go to drop shadow, make it the darker color. First drop shadow, make it the darker color of the highlight color of your background. Okay, this one. Change its blend mode to normal, opacity 100, size 0, and angle, disable global light, and then move it down a bit. This distance thing, move it ahead. I'll keep it like 6. Then click plus, then go here, change it to the lighter color, then move it a bit down, then duplicate, then click plus again, then change the color to black and increase the size. Okay, and spread to. Now you're done. You're there with the logo layer styles. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll aim for 20 likes on this video, and if this video gets 20 likes, I'll upload a tutorial on how to do the background like this. Okay.